Hello, good day guys. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can add greens on your designs. But before diving into the video, if you're a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I add new videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I will be sharing with you guys how you can add greens on your designs. The app we'll be using is Snapseed. So let's go to our Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed, once you are enter the Snapseed, this is the first interface you'll be having. So like it is written on it, tap anywhere to open a photo. So you click on this plus icon, your folder opens up, then you go to wherever you have your design to select your design. So let's just select one design here. Let's use this. So once you select your design like this is looks. So you can majorly use these looks to edit, or you can use it to enhance. I do use the same tweet if I want to enhance the color of the image. The saturation will increase, so some things are on the image will change. As you can see, it brightens up. So that is just what looks is meant for. So you just click on this mark icon. So now the point is that with the major thing we are doing in this video is to have the greens. So in adding the greens, you have to click on tools. You click on tools. So once you click on tools, you'll be having this menu. You can see we have tone, image, details, curves, white balance, crop, and so on like that. So you click on a graining theme. You click on this graining theme. Click on that. Then you can see we have as many as possible, but the one I do use is BO3. I use BO3. So as you can see here, this is the measure of the grain. This is grain plus 25. So you can increase it to suit your own preferably to what you like. So you can increase or decrease it. And as well, if you want to increase this style strength, you just hold on to the screen, then you slide up, then you can increase this as well. So once you are done, you click on this mark icon, click on export, then you export your design. Then you see this loading. This is 1/6. So when it reaches 6/6, 6 of 6, your image will be exported to your gallery. So that is just how you can add grains to your design using your Snapseed app. Thanks for watching. Please, if you've not liked this video, like, comment and share across to other graphics friends. Thanks for watching once again.